Hello everybody, my name is Jarek and welcome to my YouTube channel Jaropol80. Today I'm visiting a very special and unique museum, automotive museum. A lot of different cars from very famous movies. I hope you're gonna recognize some of these beautiful cars if you like movies. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Thank you very much for all your support, your likes and comments, and I wish you all the best.
So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay, won't look away. The storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. Coming for the throne. Kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins. Won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it, I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall.